The JYL began in 2016 as an alternative for the kids of the Jewish community to play basketball. Up until then, the only real options they had were to play in Christian churches, play on Shabbat, and that's just something that wasn't working for our community. So with the help of some organizations such as Chabad and Chazak and the ABA, the Alliance of Bukharian Americans, and of course Ed Eliajanov, who is the real visionary behind this program, we started something for the kids in Great Neck. We had 60 kids join. And this day, the end of June 2019, we have over 600 athletes in our program, ranging in age from kindergarten up until 60-year-old men. We have programs for boys, girls, we cover it all. We hire only the best coaches, professionals that teach your kids skills not only on the court, but they're good people, which is the most important thing. And they teach the values of sportsmanship.
This program has been unbelievable. My son has had an unbelievable time. He made a lot of friends, a great source of connecting the community. He has a lot more confidence. He thinks really he had such an unbelievable, amazing time. Really improved his skills in basketball and with friends, and just overall a great sense of caring and emotion and excitement. Just want to thank the Jewish Youth League of Queens, a division of the ABA, for sponsoring this, and all the other sponsors. Thank you so much. We really look forward to next season. This has been unbelievable.
I want to thank everybody for making this amazing basketball program possible in Queens, and I love coming here every week.
The reason why I like coming here every week is because it increases my skills in basketball. I want to thank everybody that made this league possible.
I really love the program. It brought a lot of people together, it brought a lot of kids together, made a lot of friends amongst each other. And I'd like to thank all the people associated with this program that made it all happen. I'd like to thank the Jewish Youth League of Queens, along with the ABA, for putting the efforts in making the program happen.